This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix Hoopla digital app not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, today I'm gonna show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix your Hoopla app. So for the first solution, just go to your Google Play Store. And then from here guys, just search for the Hoopla application. And then once you have searched it, just tap on it. And then from here, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. And when the application Hoopla Digital have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now guys, if that doesn't work, all you have to do now is just go to your settings. And then over here on the settings, just go to the apps. And then here on the apps, you will see here all of the installed application on your device. So guys, just try to find Hoopla and tap on it. Then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix your Hoopla application. And now, if it still doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall Hoopla on your device. So first, uninstall it on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, guys, you can just go back to the Google Play Store and install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Hoopla digital app and you should be able to use Hoopla digital app without any having issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya!